How to fix Linkvertise making you wait an hour fast solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Linkvertise making you wait an hour fast solution. So to get started, go ahead and open Linkvertise on your preferred browser. Now, if that actually don't stop loading, then what you can do first is to go ahead and click on the three dots to the top right of your screen. And then from here, look for the settings button. So click on that. Now, once you're on the settings page, head over into the privacy and security tab and then click on delete browsing data. From here, head over to advanced and set this to all time, and then click on this delete data button to confirm deleting your data on your browser. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and try uninstalling and removing bookmarks on your browser. So you can go ahead and manage your bookmarks here. So remove all of the unnecessary bookmarks. And then another way would be through uninstalling the unnecessary extensions. So avoid suspicious extensions, stick to trusted tools and script, since this might be causing the issue on why you need to wait an hour to access the Linkvertise. So that is how you can basically fix Linkvertise making you wait an hour fast solution.